Early life and education. Born on February 15, 1564, in Pisa, Italy, to a family of musicians, he initially studied medicine at the University of Pisa, but switched to mathematics and physics, which would become his lifelong passion. The Law of Falling Bodies, 1589. Galileo's experiments from the Leaning Tower of Pisa demonstrated that objects of different masses fall at the same rate in the absence of air resistance, contradicting Aristotle's theories. Telescopic discoveries, 1609. Galileo made a revolutionary improvement to the telescope, leading to the development of the modern refracting telescope. He observed the moon's craters, the phases of Venus, the moons of Jupiter and sunspots, providing compelling evidence for the heliocentric model of the solar system proposed by Copernicus. The Dialogue Concerning the Two Chief World Systems, 1632. Galileo's most famous work, which defended the Copernican heliocentric system over the geocentric model. The book led to his trial by the Roman Catholic Church for heresy and house arrest for the remainder of his life. The Pendulum Clock, 1602. Galileo's work on the pendulum laid the foundation for the invention of the pendulum clock, a crucial development in timekeeping. Discoveries in dynamics. His work on the laws of motion, including the principle of inertia, influenced Isaac Newton's later work on classical mechanics. Contributions to astronomy. Galileo's observations and advocacy for heliocentrism played a significant role in the scientific revolution of the 17th century. The Starry Messenger, 1610, a publication detailing Galileo's telescopic observations, which expanded humanity's understanding of the celestial world. Legacy and impact. Galileo's scientific method of experimentation and observation became a cornerstone of modern science. His work laid the foundation for the development of modern physics, astronomy, and the scientific method itself. Lasting controversy. Galileo's conflict with the Catholic Church and his trial in 1633 remains a symbol of the tensions between science and religion during the Renaissance. Galileo Galilei's life and work exemplify the spirit of curiosity, innovation, and resilience in the face of adversity. His groundbreaking discoveries and tireless pursuit of knowledge continue to inspire scientists and scholars to this day.